I wait in vain for your love? Ah, yes, I am waiting, but I'm sure I'm not waiting in vain. I'm waiting to deliver a package for a nice young lady who said we should not come up the avenue. You're kind of volatile. So, we're meeting her at the crossroads. Watching my back, my side, and my front. We're not scared. We're waiting patiently. But this is how it is on the delivery trail. No matter where you are, where you work, where you live, we are going to take the package to you. Alright? So, come, be a part of our family. We take care of each other. We give you a minute by minute, movement by movement update. So wherever your package is, we give you an update as what's going on with it. We also provide you with a platinum membership, which in effect give you 4 free shipping coupons once every 3 months. That's a benefit that you can't afford to miss. Also, a return on these packages, referral cards. What the referral cards does, you put your mailbox number on it and pass it on to a friend or family. They sign up for the service and everybody benefit. All right, so that's how it is on the delivery trail. We are waiting, and we're not waiting in vain.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh. Yeah.
I wonder if it's in this big house she live. You think it's in this big house? I jumped the wall of here. It look prickly though. Not even sure. Dog, I get antsy. Kitty on the wall. And she's nowhere in sight. But I'll not keep it for much longer. This is how we do it on the delivery trail. We're here to serve, so we're gonna wait. Have a good one.